In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Godaddy website to WordPress with ease. Whether you're a seasoned website manager or a beginner taking your first steps, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. To start, we need to head over to Godaddy's website. Once you're there, look for the menu labeled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is the hub where all your domain related activities begin. Next, find the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your Godaddy account. One of the easiest ways to sign in is by using Google, so click on the option that says Sign In with Google and follow the instructions to enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy homepage. This is your main dashboard for all your Godaddy products and services. Once you're there, click on My Account to access a detailed list of what you have under your ownership. Now locate the section labeled Manage My Products. Clicking on it will show you all the domains and services that you've purchased. From here, find the domain you'd like to transfer to WordPress and click on Manage. On the next screen, look for the forward domain link. This feature allows you to direct your Godaddy domain to another URL, in this case your WordPress site. Click on it and you'll be presented with a couple of options to proceed. Keep your eyes open for WordPress as one of the forwarding options. Click on that and the system will prompt you to enter your WordPress URL. Be sure to type this accurately to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered your WordPress URL, you'll see a button that says Connect Domain. Clicking this will set up the connection between your Godaddy domain and your WordPress site. It's important to ensure that everything is in order here to make the transfer smooth and error-free. As a best practice, take a moment to explore the advanced options presented on the screen. These give you more control over the forwarding settings, allowing you to fine-tune and customize how your domain interacts with your WordPress site. Finally, you need to confirm your settings by clicking Connect Domain one more time. Doing so will finalize the transfer, seamlessly pointing your Godaddy domain to your WordPress website. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your Godaddy website to WordPress. This step-by-step process ensures everything runs smoothly, providing your site with the flexibility and functionality that WordPress offers. I hope you found this guide helpful and empowering as you enhance your online presence. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out.